Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by accepting that iOS cannot be natively installed on a Nintendo Switch. Attempting to force it risks bricking and voids warranty. Once done, document your Switch firmware and back up all data so you can recover if something goes wrong. Make sure to research legal homebrew communities and alternative approaches like streaming or capture solutions. This prepares you to pursue a safe, supported workflow rather than an impossible hardware transplant. Next, decide on a safe, practical route to get iOS-like apps or iPhone content on your TV via the Switch dock. Capture card pass-through or network streaming are realistic. Once chosen, confirm your network and hardware meet requirements. Unstable Wi-Fi ruins latency-sensitive apps. Make sure to prioritize methods that do not alter Switch firmware. Use external devices or officially supported services instead. And spend time learning the concepts behind homebrew rather than attempting invasive. Finish by installing and configuring your chosen, non-invasive solution, then rigorously test for audio, visual sync, and input responsiveness so you know the limits. Once done, retain your backups and avoid manual firmware hacks. Keep the console updated through official channels to maintain stability. If something fails or the device behaves strangely, restore the original backup and contact Nintendo support. This troubleshooting step protects you from permanent damage and preserves warranty options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.